Welcome to our playlist. We are solving 8 questions of theory of computation. So we'll move forward towards the next question. The question is to prove set A equal to L of G. So the options are A. It is enough to prove that an arbitrary member of A can be generated by the grammar G. Option B. It is enough to prove that an arbitrary string generated by G belongs to set A. Option C. Both the above comments A and B are correct. And option D is either of the above is incorrect. So we'll move to the explanation. Option A, it is enough to prove that an arbitrary of member of A can be generated by the grammar L of G. This generate implies that if we can demonstrate that any string from set A can be generated by the grammar L of G, then it covers all possible string in the A. However, this does not address the other part of the proof, which showing that all strings generated by G are member of A. Therefore, this option is alone is not sufficient. The next is, it is enough to prove that arbitrary string generated by G belongs to set A. This statement suggests that if we can prove that any string generated by the grammar G belongs to set A, then it covers all strings generated G. However, it does not address the part of the proof, which is demonstrating that all strings A can be generated by G. Therefore, this option alone is also not sufficient. The next option is both of the above A and B are to be proved. This option is correct. To prove that A equal to LG, we need to demonstrate both that any string from set A can be generated by the grammar option L of G, option A can that any string generated by G belong to set A. Therefore, both A and B need to be proved. Either of the statement above comment to be proved. This option is not correct because proving either option A or B alone is not sufficient to establish. Both aspects are necessary to complete the proof. So the correct option is C. Both the above comment A and B to be proved.